this is everything that I made in September. That's gonna be the name of this video. I made a shrug, and it has flared sleeves. I have pictures on Facebook of it. My daughter has the sleeves like folded up because she wanted them to go past her wrists, so she can either fold them or wear them flared. You can wear. I'm gonna make one, and you can have it off the shoulder or on the shoulder. It'll work as a nice cover up. I'm gonna make some more of those and like put them up on Etsy. All right, and I have coin holders. Put your quarter in there, and you can clip it onto your purse or wherever. Keychain. And it holds the quarter pretty well, so the quarter won't come out even if you flip it upside down. I have them up on Etsy. I only have 2 different colors, one in purple and one in teal. I'm going to make other colors eventually. I have the scrunchies, black, which we're calling Midnight, and this blue, which we're calling Sky Blue. And that's that velvety yarn. And of course the towel. I still got to tuck in the strings, but I'm considering it finished because it'll take like a few minutes to finish the work on it. And then I'm trying to get all the colors together. I have several, just give me a minute, several stingray in different colors. I'm just pulling them all out. All right, I have a stingray in like a dark teal. I have a stingray in light gray. I also have it in dark gray. I have one in, I might have more than one. I'll list these probably tomorrow. I got a headache today, so I'm probably not going to list anything. Anyway, this is the light teal. And then I have like pink and blue. And then I have, it's like a cream color with pink, green, and blue. And then I have like, it's a whole bunch of dark colors. Like there's maroon in there. Well, some of it's light. There's purple, maroon. There's spots of blue and green and pink. And then I have this lighter colored one also. I'll probably have them up on Etsy tomorrow. I still gotta put up my shroom, my mushy boys. They're not up there yet. I have to do that. I was gonna do it today, but I got like a headache today, so I'm probably gonna end up doing that tomorrow. But I do have stuff up on my Etsy if you want to go check it out. You're welcome to. If you want to buy any of it, it's available. Alrighty. So it's gonna be just a short little video, just for today, because I'm not really feeling that great today. So I will see you guys. By the way, if you like this content, please like do all the things like subscribe, hit like. You can also leave a comment. Love to hear from you. Always love to hear from people. Tell me what you're doing. I'd love to hear. Anyway, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.